Have you ever wondered if you're making the most of your hard-earned cash? What if I told you that the way you spend your money could dramatically transform your life, career, and even your future? In this video, we'll reveal 15 genius ways to spend your money that you might never have considered before. If you don't watch until the end, you might miss out on the one spending habit that could skyrocket your success and happiness. Plus, we'll share a shocking truth about how most people waste their money without even realizing it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more life-changing financial tips. 1. The Power Dinner. Invest in networking. Spending money on dinner with someone who inspires and motivates you can be a game changer for your career and personal growth. These meetups provide fresh perspectives, new ideas, and potential opportunities that far outweigh the cost of the meal. For example, Warren Buffett once auctioned off a lunch with himself for charity, with winners paying millions for the opportunity to gain insights from the legendary investor. 2. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself. Investing in your financial, mental, and physical education is crucial for long-term success. This could mean purchasing books, attending workshops, or enrolling in online courses. Consider how Elon Musk taught himself rocket science by reading textbooks, which ultimately led to the creation of SpaceX and revolutionized the space industry. 3. Hobby hustle. Find a productive pastime. Engaging in a hobby that keeps you occupied and out of trouble can save you money in the long run by preventing impulsive spending. Choose an activity with minimal upfront costs, like hiking or photography. For instance, billionaire Richard Branson credits his love for adventure sports as a key factor in his business success and personal fulfillment. 4. Health is wealth. Regular health checkups. Investing in regular blood tests and health checkups can save you from costly medical issues in the future. Early detection of potential health problems allows for timely intervention and prevention. Steve Jobs, for example, might have had a different outcome if he had opted for earlier medical intervention for his pancreatic cancer. 5. Fuel your body. Prioritize healthy eating. Spending a bit more on nutritious food now can prevent significant health-related expenses later. Opt for fresh produce, lean proteins, and whole grains. Consider how Whole Foods co-founder John Mackey transformed not only his own health, but also revolutionized the grocery industry by prioritizing healthy, organic options. 6. Sweat equity. Gym membership. A gym membership is an investment in your physical and mental well-being. Regular exercise can reduce healthcare costs, improve productivity, and boost overall happiness. Look at how Richard Branson attributes his success partly to his daily exercise routine, which he claims gives him an extra 4 hours of productivity each day. 7. Dress for success. Quality clothing and shoes. Investing in high-quality, timeless clothing pieces can save money in the long run and boost your professional image. Focus on building a versatile wardrobe with durable items. Consider how Steve Jobs' iconic black turtleneck became a part of his personal brand, demonstrating the power of a signature style. 8. Family first. Create lasting memories. Spending money on family experiences and outings creates priceless memories and strengthens relationships. These shared experiences can have a lasting positive impact on family dynamics. For example, Mark Zuckerberg takes 2 months of paternity leave for each of his children, emphasizing the importance of family time even for busy executives. 9. Future-proof your career. Invest in new skills. Taking courses to expand your skill set can open up new career opportunities and increase your earning potential. This could be learning a new language, mastering a software program, or acquiring a professional certification. Consider how many tech professionals have transformed their careers by learning coding through boot camps or online courses. 10. Sleep like royalty. Quality bedding. Investing in a good mattress and pillow can significantly improve your sleep quality, which in turn affects your overall health and productivity. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Arianna Huffington, founder of the Huffington Post, became an advocate for sleep after experiencing burnout, even writing a book on the topic. 11. Debt-free dreams. Pay off your credit card. Prioritizing credit card debt repayment can save you thousands in interest and improve your credit score. Develop a strategic repayment plan and stick to it. Consider the story of Dave Ramsey, who went from bankruptcy to becoming a personal finance guru by focusing on debt repayment. 12. Safety net. Build an emergency fund. Setting aside money for emergencies provides financial security and peace of mind. Aim to save at least 3 months' worth of expenses. For instance, many people who had emergency funds were able to weather job losses during the COVID-19 pandemic without falling into financial distress. 13. Money grows on trees. Start investing. Investing in index funds, mutual funds, or ETFs can help grow your wealth over time. Start small and increase your investments as you learn more. Warren Buffett famously bet that an S&P 500 index fund would outperform a collection of hedge funds over 10 years and won. 14. Golden years. Plan for retirement. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. Take advantage of employer-matched 401(k) plans or open an IRA. Consider how some millennial FIRE, financial independence, retire early. Adherents have managed to retire in their 30s by aggressively saving and investing. 15. Peace of mind. Get insured. Having appropriate insurance coverage protects you financially in case of unexpected events. This includes health, life, home, and car insurance. For example, many homeowners in areas prone to natural disasters have been saved from financial ruin thanks to comprehensive insurance policies. Here's a bonus tip. Expand your horizons. Travel the world. Traveling broadens your perspective, creates unforgettable memories, and can even inspire new business ideas. Many successful entrepreneurs like Airbnb founders Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia credit travel experiences for sparking their innovative business concepts. If you're intrigued by the prospect of achieving financial freedom and living life on your own terms, keep watching our previous videos. We tackle even more ways to get there and reveal some surprising truths that might shock you along the way. Your journey to financial success is just beginning, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to click the link in the description for more exclusive content on mastering your finances and transforming your life. The path to wealth and fulfillment is waiting for you. Are you ready to take the first step?